kids, so today we are going to learn the difference between Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Now both are a word processor. Both are used to type something on a computer or a laptop or any electronic device. Now let's see how a Microsoft Word looks like. Now this is the home page of Microsoft Word. See over here we have new blank document, here we have recent documents, here we have new option. Now when I click on new option, a new document will open. See, it will give me an option for new document. So when we click on this blank document, a new blank document opens in front of us. This is a blank document for Microsoft Word. Now let's take a look at Google Document. This is the home page of Google Document. As you can see, here is a new document, here are some templates, then here are the recent documents. So the interface for both the Microsoft Word also and the Google Document also is a little bit similar. Now when we click on this blank document, just like Microsoft Word, it opens a new document for us. Now as you can see, there is a slight difference. The new document by default is called as untitled document in Google Doc, whereas in Microsoft Word it's called as document 1. Right, now let's see some more differences. Now in Microsoft Word, as you can see, there are lots and lots of features. There are so many different things on one ribbon. Now this is called as a ribbon. If you click on this insert option, it will open another ribbon. If you click on design option, it will open one more ribbon. So see, there are so many features in Microsoft Word. Now let's take a look at Google Document. Now Google Document doesn't have ribbons. It has menu bar. See over here we have one menu, we have another menu, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Also we have toolbars, this is the best thing that Google Document has given us, that is the normal things or the general things that we use usually while typing are given to us on a toolbar, so that we don't have to go in the menus like this. We don't have to click here and then go inside. The normal things that we use, such as font, the size, the colors, and different things are given to us handy on the toolbar. Now one more difference that is you will see in Microsoft Word and Google Document is the save option. See, here is a save button for Microsoft Word. Also in the file, when you click on file, it will ask you to save or save as. But in Google Document there is no save option, because Google Document saves itself. If you click on file, there is no save document over here, because Google Document saves automatically. Now Google Document and Microsoft Word is also a little bit different on each devices. Google Document is same for all the devices, all the operating system. There is no different version of Google Document. But a Microsoft Word has different versions. Like on Mac OS it is different version, on Windows OS it is different version. So there are different versions of Microsoft Word. I hope this difference was clear for you all.